everyone, welcome back to CodeToCareer. In today's video, we are going to learn JSX in React. We will cover what is JSX, some example, React without JSX. So let's start. JSX stands for JavaScript XML. It allows us to write HTML inside JavaScript code. This makes our React code more simple and readable. JSX is not required, but it is the most common way to write React applications. Let's take a simple example. In app.js, I will create a component called inside it. I will write here I add variables. I take two variables. Then return. Here I use fragment for multiple heading. In first heading, I am printing username inside curly braces. After this, I am taking another h1. This addition of that two variables. At last, execute default. Tab. This gives output like John and 32. Username and x plus y, 30 plus 32. We can also add events like on click here button in on click alert. So output like here click and after click alert hello. Can grab multiple elements using fragment. Now, an important point. React also works without JSX. JSX is just a shortcut. Let me show the same example without JSX. I use create element function. H1 here none and here hello. script element. I write button and click alert. Saying help. Hey, and here click but string. At last export default and I have to import the skills output like hello. And after click alert hey. So you can see the same UI is created, but the code looks more complicated and lengthy. That is why most developers use JSX. Let's talk one common question. Is JSX mandatory in React? So the answer is no. JSX is not mandatory in React. But in real projects, we always use JSX because it makes code shorter, readable, and easier to maintain. So this was all about JSX in React. I hope you understood what JSX is and how it works. If you learned something new, please press the like button. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.